Are you looking to expand your brand out there? Maybe put your music on Spotify? I can help you with that. I've been working with a brand that does kids TV channels and kids music, and they needed help basically ripping the audio from their YouTube videos and uploading it to Spotify, making their music accessible. It's a lot easier than you think. I use a platform called DistroKid. There is a link in the description down below. There is a small fee, don't get me wrong. I currently pay around about $19 for the entire year of my account being active. But then when I upload, I can upload my music to multiple platforms. Spotify, Deezer, TikTok, YouTube, iTunes, iHeartRadio. I mean, the list is endless. So you've signed up, got your account. Now you need to upload music. Here you can choose what platforms you are submitting them to, plus multiple mini platforms. Once again, here you can see Apple Music, Tidal, TikTok, Lunar, Spotify, Amazon, Deezer, Tencent, Flow, Adapt. I mean, the list is endless. Choose how many songs you're uploading. I upload one at a time, it's easier. Has it been previously released? If it's unique and it's yours, then no. I upload it as a brand, but if it's you and a few other people, click collaboration. With a basic account, which is once again around about $19, you can't choose when it releases, it just releases straight away. Upload your album cover or your song, artwork, language, primary genre, for example, country, dance, hip hop, that kind of thing. Enter a second genre if it's kind of a mash. Enter your song title. If it's a cover, don't include the original artist's name. If it's a collaboration, don't put featuring so-and-so. No years, no dates, just the name of the song. If there is a featured artist, you can choose it in the next option. Add version, say for example if there's a radio edit for swearing or if it's just the general original. Confirm your songwriter. If you wrote it, it's you. Enter the songwriter's real name. Confirm, is there any explicit lyrics? Is there a radio edit involved? Are there lyrics? Etc, etc, etc. Then there's a load of upgrade options should you want to submit it for longer, make sure that it's always there, make sure it doesn't disappear, should your account disappear, that kind of thing. And then you just accept all of the options at the bottom. Once you've clicked done, you'll be dumped back into your music page and you can see all of the songs you've uploaded and you can see all the networks that it's being submitted to and its status. When it's done, you'll receive an email to tell you that it's been submitted, and then you can go to places like Spotify or Amazon and see your song there. Now it's time for you to expand your brand and get seen out there. I've done a video here that will drill down into that and it will really help you.